This COMFYTEMP neck, shoulder, and back heating pad is amazing. It's super comfortable. The material is super soft. There's a button in the front that you can clip it to hold it in place. I want to turn around so you can see how far down in the back it goes. There's plenty of length from the remote to the end of the cord. The length of the cord from the remote to the pad is perfect, and it's just arm distance length. Let's turn it on and see the different functions of the remote. Heating pad vest is also weighted, which is nice, and it feels good when it's on. When you turn it on, there's actually a backlight, which helps with visibility, especially if you're sitting in a dark room. Right now it's on level 1, but if you hit the top temperature button, it will go all the way up to level 9. I would say to definitely test out the levels and move up as you feel comfortable, but I would start at the lowest and then move up and see how you feel as you go up. Another neat feature of this is all the different time settings that are available. Starts at 30 minutes and then it goes up in increments of 30. So you can see there's a lot of different time options for you. Once you have your time set, then it will count down the time for you, which is nice, so you don't have to wonder how long it is that you've been sitting there. I'll show you an example. Right now it's on 30 minutes, and I will fast forward this to show you that it goes down to 29 and it will continue to count down. Overall, this heating pad is so nice and helpful for sore back, sore shoulders, sore neck. I really enjoy it, and I think that you would too.